Hello, my name is Gus Lawrence. I am a student at Billericay Sixth Form studying A2 Media. This year I am undertaking the brief of a short film. The short film has to be up to 5 minutes long. Media technology is a large part of research in our coursework. Without the modern technology of the computer and internet, I would not be able to research information for this blog. Last year we had to research information for our brief, which was creating an opening sequence. Last year I learned how to use all of the different technologies, for example cameras and editing softwares, which has given me a strong structure for A2. This will help me research in more depth from last year because I know where to find all the good sources. At the start of the A2 course I decided I want to pursue a short film. I've used technology to research short films and analyse them. I've been able to analyse specific elements of the short film, for example genre and cinematography. I've focused on choosing short films from the video sharing website YouTube, then I imported them into my Tumblr blog to analyse them. By using YouTube, it has enabled me to research what type of short films are currently out there being viewed and what genre is most popular. This has let me broaden my knowledge in the short films. Last year I used YouTube to analyse different opening sequences for my AS blog. I then imported them into my blog and analysed them. This helped me build my knowledge of how to analyse a video and specific words used to describe them. In addition to watching short films, I've been analysing blockbuster and short film posters, so when it comes to me designing my own one for my short film, I will know what I'm doing. Without technology I would not be able to research this information. The computer technology will allow me to create my film poster later on in the year. I'm currently using Tumblr as my portfolio for my A2 media work. Last year I also used Tumblr for my AS portfolio. Tumblr is a great social networking site for this because it allows us to blog our work as portfolio so then it can be sent to the examiner. Without this type of technology we couldn't do this. I use my iPhone to upload images from my phone onto the Tumblr via the Tumblr app. This is very useful and makes life easier than having to import the photos from the computer and then onto the blog. I use various different websites like IMDb to research different short films and short film posters. I use this site to find which short films would have been most interesting, and then I went onto Google and YouTube to find the short film and started watching it to analyse it. Earlier on in the year I researched into photographer. I researched Saul Leiter, who is an American photographer. His work focuses on depth of field. When analysing his work, you can see in his work how he does this. For example, some of the photos using depth of field, they were shot through glass or from inside the car. I can use this technique whilst I'm filming with a Nikon DSLR for my short film. I think I can use this technique which I've researched in creating my short film using modern technology. By using different techniques from various different artists, it can help me broaden the variation of shots and techniques in my short film.